Guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, at the ad hoc committee, Julius Malema, was flying high, and went as far as to praise the IDAC head, Andrea Johnson, that woman. So, Malema compared that woman to the Winnie Mandela of our time. That's how Malema was much impressed by that woman. So, as they were discussing, Malema, as you can see here, he was addressing the toughness and resilience of the woman, etc. He is calling her Iron Lady, and especially when it comes to the issues of addressing the answers, like the clarity that she was bringing. So Malema was like, Winnie Mandela is multiplied, more of like suggesting, what, that spirit of defiance, of fighting for justice, etc. It's still out there in so many women like Andrea Johnson. But however, when Dumisani Khumalo came, he exposed the lies of Andrea Johnson, especially when it came to the issue of Vusumuzi Matlala and the handling of evidence. So there was this issue of the cell phone data that you can see here, that when Johnson testified that when IDAC received a Matlala seized the cell phone, etc., etc., a cyber expert found that data had been deleted, etc. Dumisani Khumalo, he provided an affidavit and testimony showing that no data whatsoever was deleted. So, when Andrea Johnson was being exposed on so many other issues by Dumisani Khumalo, Julius Malema was just quiet. He didn't even raise a voice to try and defend the so-called Winnie Mandela of his time. He just went completely silent, as Dumisani Khumalo was now providing and submitting affidavits, and evidence to the ad hoc committee itself. So it turns out, that Julius Malema was caught in the moment and overexcited. Not only that, there's also this issue of the PKTT when they arrested Vusumuzi Matlala, and they were said to have did something to the kids of Vusumuzi Matlala, and Julius Malema went crazy, to the media as he was talking, that should not happen. What is that, etc., etc. However, Dumisani Khumalo came and exposed all of that. And the issues just do not end there. Vusumuzi Matlala was exposed to have lied before the ad hoc committee. There is this issue of his ID. Vusumuzi Matlala refused, to say that he has an ID at Swaziland, Eswatini. He said, I don't have an ID there. However, Dumisani Khumalo did his investigations and research, and what they found was that indeed Vusumuzi Matlala was using the same name. I think it's Khumalo, and he had fraudulently obtained that ID, and the Home Affairs official who had given him that ID had been arrested. So if Vusumuzi Matlala lied like that, before the ad hoc committee, what other many things did he lie about? So you can see Malema was overexcited by so many things, and all of that has been exposed, and he had nothing to respond and say. I'll catch you guys on the next one.